This 2021 Keystone Alpine 3700 Florida front living, 1.5 baths with washer, dryer is a fifth wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, TV, leveling jacks, skylight, slide-out, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Alpine 3700 Florida front living, 1.5 baths with washer, dryer is 13,670 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.